Hello, my name's Horrace, and I'm staying at Pickles and Paws Hedgehog Rescue until I'm better and can be re-released back into the wild. Now, we're coming up to Bonfire night, and I know that a lot of my friends will be looking for nice places to make their beds, and bonfires make a great nesting spot for us. So, please, please, please make sure that you check your bonfire before you light it, because some of my friends may have made their bed there. Don't light it until you've checked it. I don't want any of my friends ending up in here with me.